In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gallery block on Squarespace 2024 full guide. Start by opening your Squarespace site so you're looking at your website dashboard. From here, head into the Pages panel. This is where you decide exactly which page will host your new gallery, whether it's your home page, a portfolio page, or a dedicated gallery page. Select the page you want and enter the page editor by clicking Edit. You'll now see your page in editing mode, with section outlines and controls ready to use. Add a new section to make space for the gallery. Choose Add Section, and when the section library opens, switch to the Images category. This category includes layouts designed for visual content and is the fastest way to create a clean, professional gallery section without building it from scratch. Once the section appears on your page, open its settings with Edit Section. This panel is where you'll control the look and feel, so the gallery matches your brand. Go to Background to define how the section sits on the page, then open Colors. Here, you'll see your site's color themes and variants. Click through the highlight options to preview different combinations of background, text, and accent colors. Each click updates the section in real time, so watch how your images and any text or buttons contrast against the background. Keep cycling through those highlight swatches until you land on a variant that makes your images pop and preserves good readability. If something looks too dim or too loud, continue toggling the highlights. The goal is clear contrast and a palette that feels on brand. With the color styling set, open View Layouts to choose how your gallery displays. You'll see a range of layouts designed for images, from clean grids to dynamic mosaics and carousel styles. Pick a layout that fits your content density and storytelling style. Grids are great for uniform image sizes, while staggered or mosaic layouts add visual energy. Preview until you find the structure that suits your work. When the layout and colors look right, save your changes. Use Save to commit everything to the live page. That's it. Your gallery section is in place, styled, and ready for content. If you're testing combinations, saving often is a good habit so you can roll back to a version you like. After saving, take a quick look on mobile to confirm spacing and contrast still feel balanced. You've successfully added a gallery section in Squarespace using built-in layouts and your site's color system, ensuring a polished, cohesive design.